Are you unable to install new apps on your Google TV Streamer 4K? Whether you are getting app not installed, download pending, or simply apps are stuck installing on your new Google TV Streamer, Fix369 has brought you the best way to fix app installation issues on the Streamer 4K. Now first, you can ensure there is sufficient internal storage on your Google TV Streamer. Go to Quick Settings on your top menu, then tap on the All Settings menu. Now scroll down to System, then check Storage. Now, if you have less than 1 GB free, the Play Store might block new installations. Just go ahead and delete 1 or 2 unused apps and then try again. But if it's still not downloading and says pending, just make sure you have a good internet connection. You can restart your Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi router. Also, if possible, you can use an Ethernet connection for a more stable internet connection. This can fix the issue. Still not downloading? Well, let's go ahead and check if the date and time are set correctly on your TV streamer. Just open Settings, go to System, then Date and Time, and ensure the date and time is set to automatic to use network provided time. Additionally, you can also clear the Google Play Store cache to fix the issue. So from Settings, you're going to just head over to Apps, and then just go ahead and select All Apps, then navigate yourself, then click Show System Apps. Now find and select the Google Play Store in here, and now scroll down to choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. And then just go back to Google Play Service and do the same Clear Cache and Clear Data in there as well. If the problem persists, from the same menu, uninstall all Google Play Store updates because it can help you fix the problem. And apart from everything, you can also cold boot your Google TV Streamer. Unplug all the cables one after another, wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in. This will refresh the whole system and fix any minor software glitch. And these are all the most effective and quickest ways to fix your Google TV Streamer not installing new app. Let us know which one helped you fix the issue in the comments.